Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to cancel your Spokeo subscription. So how do you cancel? So according to their help center right here, if you're not completely satisfied with Spokeo, you can pause or cancel your membership. So before you cancel or lose access, make sure you take full advantage of your membership. Of course, try doing one of these things that is listed right here. And then so from there, they're just trying to convince you from here. So you can also pause it if you want to. So if you're in a free trial or not in a free trial, I mean, you can easily pause your subscription access and then resume if you want to. You're not going to get billed during that time, but it's pretty simple. So if you want to cancel, it's pretty simple. You can go get directly to the account cancellation page. So let's go here. So when you're logged in and you go here to the help in Spokeo and you press how do I cancel, you can go to this page right here to the account cancellation page, and then you will have to log in first and then scroll down to your manage account plan section, and then there you can cancel it from there. You can also start the conversation if you need further assistance or customer care. So that's how you cancel your Spokeo subscription. It's pretty simple. So all you have to do again is log in, and then you can go to your account cancellation page and then just scroll to the very bottom until you find manage account plan section and press cancel, and it's just that simple.